we are making the famous and delicious Gatte Ki Sabzi from Rajasthan, a traditional dish made with soft gram flour dumplings. Ingredients for the Gatte dumplings: gram flour, Besan, 2 cups, yogurt 2 tablespoons, karam seeds, ajwain 1/2 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, red chili powder 1/2 teaspoon, salt to taste, oil 2 tablespoons, water as required. For the gravy, yogurt 1 cup, onion 2 medium finely chopped, tomato 1 medium, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, asafoetida, hing 1 pinch, turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 2 teaspoons, garam masala 1/2 teaspoon, oil or ghee 3 tablespoons, fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Step 1. Prepare the dough. In a large bowl, combine gram flour, yogurt, carom seeds, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt and oil. Add water gradually and knead into a firm dough. Step 2. Shape the rolls. Divide the dough and roll it into long, thin cylindrical logs. Step 3. Boil the gatte. Bring a large pot of water to a boil and add the rolls. Cook for 10 to 12 minutes until they float to the surface. Step 4. Cut the gatte. Remove the boiled rolls and allow them to cool slightly. Cut them into small bite-sized pieces. Step 5. Prepare the yogurt. Whisk the yogurt thoroughly until smooth and lump-free. Step 6. Saute the base masala. Heat oil or ghee in a pan. Add cumin seeds and asafoetida. Then add the onions and saute until golden brown. Step 7. Add ginger, garlic and tomatoes. Add the ginger garlic paste and cook for a minute. Add the tomatoes and cook until soft and mushy. Step 8. Add the dry spices. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder and coriander powder. Cook until the masala releases oil. Step 9. Add the yogurt, lower the heat and slowly add the whisked yogurt. Stir continuously to prevent the yogurt from curdling. Step 10. Simmer the gravy. Add a little water and simmer the gravy for 5 to 7 minutes. Step 11. Add the gatte. Add the sliced gatte to the gravy. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes so the dumplings absorb the flavors. Step 12. Final seasoning. Sprinkle garam masala and garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Rich in the traditional flavors of Rajasthan, this delicious Gatte Ki Sabzi can turn any meal into a royal feast. Try it once and enjoy the authentic taste of Rajasthani cuisine.